Hello everyone, so tomorrow I'm going for groceries, so I thought today would be a great day to clean out the fridge. Now you'll notice that my fridge is actually pretty empty right now. There's not a whole ton of stuff in here, but this is when I like to clean out the fridge. I always like to clean out the fridge before I go and get groceries. That way you can just see what you have, and it's just nice to have a clean refrigerator to put all of your groceries into. So let's go ahead and let's get started on cleaning this fridge. So I started off on the top shelf. I always like to work from the top to the bottom. I took everything off of the shelf, set it out on the counter, went through it all, and you want to just make sure if anything's expired that you throw it out. And then to clean off the shelf, I used Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I sprayed that onto the shelf and the sides of the fridge, wiped it down with a warm wet cloth, and then I dried it off with a dry cloth, and then I put everything back onto the shelf. And you also want to make sure that you wipe off the bottom of an item before you put it back onto your clean shelf. And then I just repeated the same thing on the second shelf, took everything off, put it on the counter, went through it all, and this second egg carton was just full of eggshells and it needed wash, so I put that into the sink. I got a plastic bowl and I put in it any veggies or fruit that were going bad so that I could take them out to my chickens. Now moving on to cleaning the shelves on the door, I took everything off of the shelf just like before, went through it all, threw out anything that was expired, and the bottom of these shelves were pretty dirty, so I took them off of the door and over to the sink to wash them. Before I end the video, I'm going to show you a few of the organizational containers that I have in the fridge. First, I have this clear acrylic egg carton that I got at Marshall's. It's got a handle on it, which makes it easy to pull it out and get the eggs. This second container, also from Marshall's, I keep all of my yogurt containers in here. I need to go for groceries, like I said, so I don't have any yogurt right now. This basket I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just keep all of my bags of shredded cheese in here, the bacon, tortillas, just random things like that, just so that they're in one place, easy to find. And then this last container, I keep all of my containers of leftovers in here so that they don't get shoved to the back of the fridge and end up going bad. That way they're all in one spot and you can easily find them. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that it gave you inspiration to clean out and organize your fridge. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.